Hi everyone, welcome back to CloudDemoDive. So it's been around 5 months since my last video has uploaded related to the AWS Skill Builder series. But in these few months, I have not been sitting idle. So I'm working on behind the scene, obviously, and kicking things off. So few things I achieved during this uh, gap, you can say. So first one is the Google Generative AI Leader certification. So this is the foundational basic for business focused exam. It's not more about writing Python codes. It's only about the understanding the strategy and offering of Google AI ecosystem. So whether you are a manager, architect, or a student, this is a gold standard for showing you how to lead AI initiatives into your company or organizations. So let's dive into exactly what you need to know to pass on your first try. So let's first take a look at the breakdown how this exam will happen in different pillars, or you can say different categories. So this exam is basically divided into four main pillars, you can say. First one is the fundamental, which consists of around 30% Google Cloud offerings, whatever the different uh, features and services provided by Google Cloud, techniques, and the business strategy. These are the four main pillars. So it's kind of total 90 minutes of exam, in which you have around 50 to 60 questions asked. Sometimes it might be less, like around 45-46 questions, but yeah, it's around 50 to 60 questions to complete it into 90 minutes. So don't let the leader title fool you. So you will still need to understand the technical concepts at a high level overview. So you don't have to go into a deeper dive, but you have the high level overview of each and every topics in this generative AI field of Google Cloud. So let's go and talk one by one for each one of these pillars. So you must know the difference between predictive AI and the generative AI. So predictive AI basically classifies or predict based on the past data, but the generative AI creates entirely new content using the LLMs and all. So in this you can see some key terms like LLMs, large language model like Gemini, foundational models which Google provides, some multi-modality which comes into 2026, and it will grow more, which can handle text, images, videos, and audio all at once. Like this is the kind of model which will uh, take all your inputs in each and every format at once, and based on that it will generate whatever you want. Next, hallucination, when the model sounds confident but it is factually wrong. You will get a question on this. So these are some key terms on which you will get some questions into this exam on this uh, fundamental topic basically. So next one is the Google Cloud AI portfolio, in which what are the different services Google Cloud provides us. So most people were tripped off like Vertex AI, who are using Google Cloud platform GCP for doing some hands-on and doing some projects onto it. So they will know more onto this. But yeah, you have to have a basic understanding of all these terms like Vertex AI, Model Garden, AI Studio, Gemini for workspace, and agents. So these are the some key terms which we need to know to prepare for these examinations. Next one is how we can improve our output using prompts or using retrieval augmented generation using RAG. So these are the two things which will make our AI more smarter. So prompt engineering is nothing but like how you can train your, how you can provide your instruction to the LLMs by zero sort examples or few sort examples. Like there are different ways of prompt engineering. So you have to know all this basic understanding to clear for this examination. Next, the grounding and RAG. Grounding is basically the um, knowledge base of any of the um, source, any of the response you can say, on which you can say that yeah, this is the ground truth of this response. And the RAG also, this is the secret sauce which you can see, which you can say each and every company have a private data, and if they want to create some chatbot on top of that, so yeah, and they also want to keep their data secret, so they can create using some RAG architecture, they some create some um, chatbots and all. It basically grounds the AI in reality. So you also need to know the parameters, temperature, how you can lower the temperature makes the AI more factual, and raising it make more creative. So next one is how you can strategy and responsible AI. So this is the fourth pillar you can see, you can say. So finally, leadership. Google is a big responsible AI. So because nowadays everything you can create multiple things on using AI, so you should use this AI responsibly. So you need to know their principles like avoiding bias, ensuring safety, and also look out for the secure AI frameworks. It's Google method or basically secure AI frameworks, which is SAF in short form. It's basically a Google method for keeping the AI system secure from prompt injections or data leaks. So whenever you are appearing for this exam as a generative AI leader, your job is to identify high value use cases. Do not just use AI for everything, use it where the return of investment is clear. So you have to be clear and use the appropriate responsible AI features and use appropriately. So these are the basic things which you need to keep in your mind and be prepared for this generative AI leader. So this exam is nothing like Python coding skills or nothing much that, but it's more kind of understanding the things of Google Cloud Platform AI provides, how we can build those things based on our requirement by abiding all the features of responsible AI also. So this is all in a summary you can say. So to wrap up here, so you can go through Google Skill Boost has a generative AI leader learning path. You can just complete this course. It's kind of around 8 hours of course and it's free. You can also try out some official sample questions, and I will also provide few articles where you can try the question and answers related to these examinations, which will include the links to practice exam banks also. So that's it. It's kind of similar and you can say more fundamental certification to become a generative AI leader, so that you know all the GenAI concepts in Google Cloud and how you are applying those concepts to your business needs to grow your organizations and company. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. So next up I will break down the Databricks exam, because in this break I also cleared the Databricks generative AI associate examination. So see you in the next one. Thanks.